Tickets
I
right
know,
now.
I know we saw the process, but
I just give it to me.
okay.
and I'll get
Well,
it.
this
And then
one, as of
also,
today, he hasn't even come pay another Arden yet.
Is it just due today?
This one is.
And that
As
goes-
long as it's
These
after-
are the old ones.
Close to her, then if it,
These are the old ones.
Okay.
okay.
Yeah.
And also, on that note, we had a hearing, on June 24 on this, Richard Foreman, I don't know who wrote the ticket,
Early, for what?
speeding. Was been written in 12, because he denied it. He denied the infraction, and,
I'm the one that wrote it.
well, I know that.
Oh, but I'm.
He doesn't agree. He went in and said I did deny them. So I it's been set for hearing.
Outstanding. What is it?
So it's June 24, I want to give you a copy of this.
Outstanding.
At 1 o'clock, so I need to meet with you before that. I mean, I can meet with you the hour or two before. I can talk to you on the phone, but you know, obviously I gotta know what happened, and I don't know why he's denying it, just to see if he'll show up or something. I don't know.
That's exactly what he's doing.
And the Cora will.
Dealt with this guy before, I've arrested him before.
I never did agree when I got a ticket.
That's
I don't
exactly.
want to
Big deal.
All right.
Yeah, I've
I
got
thought
one
we'd
thing,
just go away.
Rita gets free.
So these, like I said, these are all
And
old.
then there was
old
one other
tickets.
one.
Okay.
What's that about?
Finish that up.
These three, I wanted to ask the board, I have a copy.
No, this is
I have a copy of
on,
these.
lane, on the eminent domain of Thompson property.
Yeah.
And the
Oh,
trash.
and the trash.
The curbing, the street
Good,
lights.
on that case,
That's the ones he had.
Okay.
Brakes enable area.
Like I said,
Complaint noted.
These
Complaint
two
noted.
I had, and you,
Yeah.
on these, I had these two, I had a copy of these. You're having to tell me, you got two $75 tickets, don't want to even send people that, but you know, if I file these, they're gonna set them for hearing, and they probably set them on the same day. I understand, I just don't want, now I want you griping at me, that I charge you to go down there, and I'm gonna charge you at my regular rate at $150 an hour, which is, you know, 1 hour, and it's not gonna be an hour, it'll be whenever he gets us in. And he'll probably try to work us at first, or sometime, I can count on that. I mean, I may go down there and sit for 2 hours, so I don't want you to not know that. Could happen, and we end up with 3 or 4 hours time to pursue $150 total. But I understand the incentive people.
I understand that too, and these are tickets that are.
These are
Hoop
for
rolls.
12, that's right, these are, and you haven't had that many. I called the Bob that you care about it, she's not, you only have these couple of tickets that haven't gotten paid.
No.
So it's not been a huge issue yet.
We
So
may
do you
have to
really
do
want
it.
to pursue it?
Yeah.
And it could resolve itself if we stand firm too.
Well, I already got one, we just set for hearing. She's got another one here, and it's a $500 ticket. That's where I would start. I mean, this is a newer ticket, this is from August of last year, it's $500.
Or doing what?
Hold on, what's on the?
High grass and trash.
That one is due today, is also the same subject for another.
Sir.
Maybe all
Problem.
set.
Tornado sirens are not working.
The what?
You said something, Leo, and I was
Yeah.
spaced out today, wasn't around, but they do not work. I mean, they do not work. I cannot set them off manually.
Who do you call?
Who do you want me to call?
Whoever, it's
We had
tornado sirens.
Okay, here's my problem. Tony Burton runs the office, and I don't want to be the one to call him, because he was asked to do a bid on the machine, and he was a little bit higher, and he didn't get it.
Okay.
So, you know, but he would work on it.
Who
He's
put
the
them
only
in?
one I know.
Who installed
I
it?
don't know.
Last year, they quit working, and
And
I
I
paid
fixed
for 'em. You, okay.
I fixed it,
Okay.
but I don't know
Do we have
anything
any
about it.
warning on those sirens?
Let's back up to what lifestyle we're talking about.
Don't we have any warning?
Sirens, what they're.
Tornado sirens.
Tornado
I
sirens.
got it now.
Yeah.
It's on
Your
my-
wife ought to know everything there is to know.
It's on my list right here.
If she can call somebody, that's fine with me.
Okay,
Okay, now that's a liability issue.
yes.
It's urgent, because
Yes.
we're in the midst
That's
of
what I'm
tornado
saying.
siren.
We got storms rolling in
So that-
right now,
I know
and
that.
people are freaking out about what happened in Oklahoma 2 days ago,
Yeah.
12 hours ago.
Okay,
You don't notify them, and they're relying on them, it could be a
That's
liability
what I'm
situation.
saying.
okay,
If
And I know Tony's not gonna fix them immediately.
Okay,
I mean,
I
he
don't know
won't
who
come
to call.
tonight.
Call another town that's got tornadoes, ask them who fixes theirs.
County.
County.
I mean, I'm gonna go down here in just a minute and make sure the batteries are up,
Yeah.
that's all.
I mean, touch Paul Russell.
I just got off the phone with Paul.
Call county.
And I'll call Paul and find out if he can get somebody.
Get somebody who just, and what, if you can't get it done, I want you to get over it right away, okay?
It's gonna be done.
Yeah,
Can you
it's
guys
gotta
go
be.
up and down the streets with your
Yeah,
sirens
we
on?
can, and I will.
Yeah, we can, and that's what they did before they had them.
Right,
Yeah.
and I will. I'm not I don't have a problem being on call as far as that goes, but.
Right.
I hear the
Problem
tornado
is some
siren
PA in my car.
clear at my house.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can.
Yeah.
Okay.
Tornadoes comes in so fast that wouldn't work.
It will, no.
Nothing goes far.
It used to happen, but it's weird.
When we do get it from home today.
I don't know. We get to go home and let them know.
Well, but answer my last question.
Okay, I'll answer your last question. What's your last question?
Successfully.
All right.
Okay, I sent out an email regarding sidewalks,
I did that.
and, but you can't park on them, you can't destroy them, you can't remove them. I would like, I see no reason why that's not a good thing. I mean, we've got people taking up sidewalks, so we've got people parking on them. I'm told that may or may not be illegal.
It is.
Stupid either way. Busting up the sidewalk. Is that what you're talking about?
Yeah.
Mental.
Well, there is an ordinance against it.
Yeah.
The argument comes between, am I parking on a sidewalk that's good, or am I parking on a sidewalk that's already busted up? Is it connected to another sidewalk? Because some properties have a sidewalk, and then there's not another one for 7 more houses. Yeah. So yes, it is, but, I mean, when
And then have the town for expenses of construction, repairing, or maintaining the construction, repair, and sidewalks, the expenses shall be the responsibility of the landowner.
right.
I say 1%. Even if it costs more than that. Don't you, John?
You got
So I have those,
Yeah.
have those.
Because Shakira gave me a copy at one point. She gave me like it was just zero.
Well, I gave you, yeah, I gave those to you last time.
They're your
No,
half
I
old.
did these from a long time ago.
But,
Yeah.
yeah, let's pursue them, even though it's gonna cost us money to get them, let's pursue
Well,
them.
I
We're either in
put
this or we're out.
them on all on the same day.
I have a question on that,
Sure.
in all respect, when I ask it.
I ran 6 people off tonight. So
Well,
let's start.
as it pertains to a ticket, a violation of the law,
What about this?
is it necessarily necessary for an attorney to have to be present for the facts to fight the cause? Do you have to have an attorney present?
No.
Then why?
For an employee, you have to have an attorney present.
I'm not clear what his question is.
Okay.
Is it
Well, what my
necessary?
question is you were talking about the fact that it was gonna cost the town potential extra money, in all due respect, because you do deserve a rate for your work. But in the fact of a town employee writing a ticket for a known violation, that he's willing to go in and say, this is what's happened, the guy's just denying that he was speeding, is it in fact necessary to have an attorney to stand in front when that's being presented to
I
the
think
court?
that Judge Sabecki will require that you
Yeah.
have counsel.
That
Yeah.
answers
Oh,
my
yeah.
question.
Just back in the Yeah.
Okay.
Now, pursuing these ordinances, you may have a valid question now. Pursuing these tickets that we write to town employees. Attorney's gotta get involved, yeah. but-
Well, I totally respect the fact that she's protecting us.
Yeah.
That's what she does. She's earned that right. And from more of a taxpayer standpoint, I'm sitting here thinking, where can we limit her time?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, 'cause she's a lawyer.
Well,
Well-
like I was just telling him, I know, I hear that. That's why it's a good start tonight, keeping 3 hours. He'll probably set these all on the same day.
Right,
so that we don't go 4 separate times.
right.
The court's good about that. I've already got one date set, June 24. He may set all these on the same day.
Well, I mean, at
And
least
if he
we're
doesn't,
fortunate enough to have somebody
You're
that's
full of
honest and
it.
tell us up front.
Yeah, and if he doesn't, I'll ask him. If he sets these for July, I'll move to continue the June one to the July date. Because I don't want to go there 3 different times. It's
I don't know.
Alright,
it's expensive.
back to the sidewalks, John, what do you wanna do?
Well, I'd like that amendment to the existing ordinance.